To securely attach a curtain rod and prevent it from coming out, you'll need some materials including a curtain rod, optional finials or end caps, brackets or mounting hardware, screws, and a drill or screwdriver. Firstly, determine the bracket placement by measuring and marking the locations on the wall where the brackets will be installed. Ensure they are aligned and level. Secondly, attach the brackets. Drill pilot holes into the wall at the marked locations. Insert screws into the pilot holes and hand tighten the brackets. Thirdly, if you are using finials, slide them onto the ends of the curtain rod and secure them with set screws or decorative caps. Fourthly, insert the curtain rod into the brackets. Insert one end of the curtain rod into one of the brackets. Gently push the rod into the bracket until it clicks into place or a locking mechanism engages. Fifthly, repeat for the other bracket. Insert the other end of the curtain rod into the opposite bracket in the same manner. Sixthly, ensure a secure fit. Check that the curtain rod is securely attached to both brackets and does not move or come out when pulled. If necessary, tighten the brackets or screws further. To prevent the curtain rod from coming out, firstly use high-quality hardware. Invest in durable brackets and screws that are rated for the weight of your curtains. Secondly, choose the right size brackets. The bracket should be wide enough to support the curtain rod without sagging. Thirdly, ensure a snug fit. Make sure the curtain rod is firmly seated in the brackets and that there is no play. Fourthly, add a locking mechanism. Some brackets come with locking mechanisms that prevent the rod from moving or being pulled out accidentally. Consider a tension rod as an alternative option. Tension rods use spring-loaded tension to stay in place without the need for brackets, making them ideal for temporary or rental situations.